Welcome! If you're missing Snapchat alerts or just want to make sure you never miss a snap or chat again, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable snaps and chats notifications on Snapchat using the latest settings. First, grab your phone and head over to your Settings app. This is where all your device controls live, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. This will open a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This will take you into Snapchat's app settings, where you can manage permissions and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This section controls how and when Snapchat is allowed to alert you. Inside the Notifications menu, find and tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat separates different types of alerts, so you can customize exactly what you want to receive. Now, look for Snaps and Chats in the list. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. Make sure the switch is enabled so that it lights up or shows as active, depending on your device. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for snaps and chats. From now on, you should start receiving alerts whenever someone sends you a message or a snap. If you're still not getting notifications, double-check that your main notification setting for Snapchat is also turned on and that your phone isn't in Do Not Disturb mode. Keeping your notifications properly set up ensures you stay connected and never miss out on important conversations.